At least 259 people have died and 11,791 others have been infected in China by the new coronavirus. The virus has been confirmed in more than a dozen countries and territories since it was first detected in the Chinese city of Wuhan in December 2019. Countries are now sending planes to evacuate their citizens from the infection zone and imposing travel bans or restrictions on travelers from China. The United States and Australia are temporarily denying entry to non-citizens that have recently traveled to China, hoping to limit the spread of the new coronavirus to their countries. Indonesian officials said that around 250 of its nationals being evacuated from China's Hubei province, the center of the coronavirus epidemic, will be quarantined in its Natuna Islands military base. Apple is going to shut down all its official stores in mainland China until February 9 due to recent public health and prevention considerations. Purity Museo, Channel 1 News. The Board of Management held in a meeting at Garissa High School resolved to have parents withdraw their children from school from Monday until the Teacher Service Commission (TSC) revokes transfers of teachers following insecurity in the area. But in a quick rejoinder, Garissa County Director of Education Khalif Isaac said board managements have no power to close schools. The education director asked parents to allow their children to report for classes as normal on Monday, as his office finds remedial measures to ensure learning continues uninterrupted.
In reaction to that, this morning we had a consultative meeting here in my office with principals of Garissa County, and we gave them stopgap measures which can be implemented at school level, like for example, adjustment of the curriculum, reduce the number of subjects offered in schools, tentatively until teachers will come.
Khalif say that all schools in the county are operational and no school has been closed due to the insecurity in the area.
Nothing like closure of schools. The mandate of registration, closing of schools, that one lies with the county education board.
Unconfirmed reports say that the TSC is planning to withdraw all non-local teachers from northeastern region by end of next week.
The activities of the Teacher Service Commission by withdrawing all teachers, even those who are serving in a severe areas like Masalani, Ijara, all secondary schools teachers have now deserted.
As I speak, more than half, actually 3/4 of our teachers are away, and our schools are now almost collapsing.
We demand that TSC revokes the transfers of those teachers who have not been released, and they went unofficially, they were called from the TSC.
Elsewhere, parents in Laikipia North Sub-County who have not taken their children to Form 1 have until Monday to do so or they risk being arrested. Sub-County Education Officer Gila Wario said that all pupils who sat for KCPE last year should be in secondary school by Monday, and parents should make sure that this happens.
Ambaye ako nyumbani na ajaenda secondary, usiseme mimi ni maskini ndio maana mtoto ajaenda. Tafadhali peleka huyo mtoto shule.
Kama hujapeleka mtoto wako shule, wewe utapelekwa sela. So ujizuie, peleka huyo mtoto shule.
In Busia County, an education stakeholders meeting has been constituted with the aim of assessing education standards and bringing sanity in the sector. Busia Governor Sospito Jamong, who presided over the unveiling of the forum at the Busia Agricultural Training Center, say the caucus intends to take views from members with the view of incorporating them in efforts aimed at bringing sanity in education system, which has deteriorated drastically in the recent past.
Tulijitolea kufadhili kwa mkutano, kuleta hawa watu wote hapa ndiposa tupate zizo mapendekezo zao.
Channel 1 News, I'm Sarafina Robi.
About 4 years after veteran politician Mzee Olentimama was laid to rest, his family has once again gone into mourning after the youngest daughter of the once powerful government minister collapsed and died.
She had been complaining about some pain the night in the evening, some pain on her left-hand side. And when she woke up to organize herself in the morning, as usual, she collapsed in the bathroom, and that was the end.
Vivian Olentimama, who was until her death an employee at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, is said to have collapsed and died as she was preparing to work as usual. According to her sister, Lydia Ntimama, what has since been confirmed as a heart attack was unexpected as she was in high spirits the morning before she died, only to have difficulty breathing and die shortly after.
This has been a very shocking situation for us. A young lady, like the saying goes, life begins at 40. She had just begun her life with a young family, a husband. She had just started her life. It is very sad.
Vivian has been eulogized as a hard-working, humbled woman who was treasured by her family and residents of Narok at large.
Marehemu alikuwa anapenda watu sana na alikuwa anasaidia watu sana. Watu wote wamehusika katika hii kaunti yetu kwa sababu ni mtu aliyekuwa na utu na kusaidia watu kwa kila njia yoyote.
Caroline Kamau reporting for Channel 1 Lunchtime News.